Hey guys, another day, another reselling Q&A. I went to the eye doctor today and my eyes are like so dry now. I don't like going to the eye doctor. I always feel like she's trying to trick me whenever she puts like the thing in front of your eyes and then she's like, which lens is better, lens 1 or lens 2? And I'm like, 1. Then she does it, I'm like, 2, 1, 2. Like, I don't know, I feel like she's trying to trick me, or I feel like she thinks I'm playing games with her. Sometimes I can't even tell. She's like, oh, are they about the same? I'm like, I don't know. Like, I hate that part. You guys, anyone else? No? Okay. First question. What are your typical cost of goods in your area? For example, how much would you pay for something like the Victoria's Secret items? What would you consider too much to pay? So I don't give out my cost of goods. I've said that in a bunch of videos. That's just something that I don't tell people. There's just many reasons for it. I don't really feel like it's helpful to people because say like this sweatshirt, maybe it's like, well, this is an expensive sweatshirt. But yeah, say this was just like a regular sweatshirt. Say I got this at my thrift store for like $2.99. Say you saw it at your thrift store for like $5.99. And maybe that's like typical prices in your area. And this sweatshirt would never be $2.99 in your area. So how is me telling you that I paid $2.99 for this beneficial to you when it would never be that cheap in your area? You know, I feel like it doesn't benefit anyone if I tell them my cost of goods, because what works for my business might not work for your business. I don't know. Like I said, there's many reasons. Those are just a couple. And yeah, I just don't give out numbers like that. I don't. Next question. Oh my gosh, guys. I've gotten so many messages and comments and DMs from you guys asking me if my sales have decreased ever since Poshmark announced their Posh Ambassador 2 program. Yes, they have decreased, but not enough for me to get worried. I don't have all of my eggs in the Poshmark basket. I talked about this on Instagram actually today. Not when this video went up though. I'm uploading this video like in a couple days. But yeah, I talked about it on Instagram. You should cross list. You shouldn't put all your eggs in one basket. Don't depend solely on Poshmark for your income, because when shit like this happens, and stuff like this is inevitable, like there's going to be flaws. There's going to be, you know, new things that they got to work out. It's not going to be perfect 100% of the time. When stuff like this happens, you have other platforms to rely on and other sources of income. I just cringe when I see people on Facebook. They're like, oh, Poshmark, you need to fix this. Like, this is my only income. This is blah, blah, blah. It's like, Poshmark actually doesn't really owe you shit. Honestly, you're not an employee. They really don't owe you anything. It's not Poshmark's fault that you only rely on one source of income. It really isn't. Does it suck? Absolutely. I'm not denying that it sucks to decrease your sales, but you have to make smart choices, especially if it's your only source of income and it's something as like unreliable as Poshmark. You need to make better choices and find other ways to get income. And there are many other ways. Poshmark isn't the end all be all. I once thought it was, like when I first started reselling, but it's not. It really is not. I missed out on probably a lot of money actually not cross-listing on other platforms like the first couple of years, or the first like year. How long have I been cross-listing? No, the first like 2 years. I probably missed out on a lot of money because I could have sold things on other platforms. I did want to read you guys the email that Poshmark put out. I think this was an email. I actually didn't get this email. I saw this on Instagram. Somebody screenshotted it. So comment down below and let me know if you got this email, because I didn't get this. But it says, a note from Poshmark. As you know, we're always looking for ways to improve your experience on Poshmark. We recently rolled out a new default sort for search results that we believe will help shoppers more easily find what they're shopping for while increasing sales for our sellers. This recommended sort takes into account sharing, as well as a number of other factors that should lead to more purchases being made. We are seeing positive results, but recognize there's more work to be done. I mean, I've seen nothing but negative shit ever since they rolled that out, but okay. That's the update from Poshmark. Again, you know, they rolled out something new. There's going to be bugs. Does it suck? Yes, but don't just sit there and wait for Poshmark to fix it. Find another platform to list on. Do something. Don't just sit around and wait for Poshmark to fix it. Last question. What happened to B&G Trading and Honcho Wholesale? Your links don't work and neither do the websites. I had a couple of people, or maybe it was the same person a couple of times, commented on a couple of recent videos and they're like, hey Vanessa, I tried to order something from B&G. You know, your link doesn't work. I'm like, oh, what's going on? So I went to the B&G website. It's non-existent. This person was like, you know, you should check your links before you put them in your description box. I have like upload defaults. It's called upload defaults on YouTube, and it's just a bunch of links and stuff in my description box. They're automatically inputted every time I upload a video, so I don't like manually put those in with every video. Yeah, apparently B&G is no longer a company, neither is Honcho Wholesale. Really shitty because I was an affiliate for them. I promoted them. I made them money. They actually, both of them, I think, still owe me commission. So yeah, so it was shitty of them to just disappear without telling their affiliates. I don't know what happened. Somebody said that B&G lost their business license. I don't know if that's the case. I don't know what happened to Honcho. Somebody actually said B&G hasn't been around for a while, which I feel like I've been, actually, you know what? No, I don't know the last time I got commission from B&G. So yeah, I don't know. Apparently they just disappeared. I don't really know who to contact because all the contacts that I had, their email address was the B&G domain address, and that's no longer active. It makes me kind of look bad because it's like, oh, Vanessa, you promoted this company and now it's just up and gone. It's like, yeah, I don't know what to tell you. Like, I don't know. And then Jomar, there was a whole issue with Jomar. They stopped their affiliate program because they had like new owners or like, I don't know, new people working for them. I don't know what the hell is going on with that, but I think the affiliate program is back. I'm going to check my link and everything before I upload this video to let you guys know if Jomar is still active. Jomar did email people and told us, hey, you know, the affiliate program is on hold. So that was good. They didn't just stop it or friggin' disappear like B&G and Honcho Wholesale did. Again, I don't know what's going on. I've taken those links out of my description because they're non-existent. If anyone has any info, comment down below because I'm very curious because it's really fucking weird. So that is it. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit. So thank you. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.